Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training, and I think you might remember this project I worked on, I don't know, maybe a year ago, maybe two. It's a little convenience store on State Street. So what we did here, we did an interior renovation. So you walk in there and then you come to here. This is kind of what we had. We had to do the ceilings and wall, but this is the finish what we had initially before. So now I'm going to just bring this down, and so we prepared an interior remodel or demolition and redo. So basically here I'm going to go from my project browser. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We do all kind of projects here. I work on my ongoing projects and do training in the same. So here, I have a completed set of drawings. So here we have our demo plan here. I'm gonna do some stuff in here. And this is my existing floor. This is what we had before. And then we went to that demo. And basically we're using phases in this project. So there's our floor plan, furniture plan. And this is kind of what we got for the finished product here. Turned out pretty good. I think the owner's happy. We had to do some things on the front view. Got a new cooler system in here and everything. Go back to my floor plan here. And we got our different wall elevations showing. We got several 3D views we created. Whatever pops up. Sorry about this. But yeah, anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me make videos like this. Okay, there we go. No wonder that took so long because I have it in realistic. We'll just put it in shaded view for now. And that's kind of what the owner looked at for their final design. They want something like this. So we had so many multiple options, multiple views here. We had a view going this way from the project browser. It's placed on the sheet. And then we have our other view here. So what initially happened was they came in, we produced a set of drawings here. We've got our cover here, of course, and get a 3D view of what the final's going to look like. And we had our demo plan here. And these are our exterior elevations, which they didn't do anything with. And this is our proposed layout here. This is kind of what they wanted to have. They got a slot machine. They got I don't know, slot machines or. And then here I think they've got a lottery game here. So in here are my elevations here, what that's going to look like. And then we got our different gondolas, and here's our rendering. So this is basically what we came up with for this project. And then it's finished. And if you ever get in the time to go in this area, pretty nice little convenience store from what it was before, if I can pick it up here. Okay. So it went from basically this to this. Very nice lighting, new flooring. We've got drywall here. And then we got the same over here where the coolers were. So that project turned out pretty nice. It was a while back. I think the client is happy. Black-owned business. So if you're ever on you're on State Street at 120, I don't know, 23rd or something. Let's see what that says here on the cover sheet. Yeah, if you're ever in that area, stop in. Yeah, that's where this is at. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to show how this project finished, how it ended. It ended it well. The customer's happy, and they do a nice job. This is around Valentine's Day, and what they do is decorate for the holidays. But it's much better than this, what we had before. From this to this, and this, and this. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And again, we've got our, City of Chicago. We've got a cover sheet. We've got demolition, exterior elevations, but they didn't do anything here. Here's a proposed layout, and basically that's kind of what we got, sort of. And here. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope make videos like this, and everybody be safe. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.